Figure out the brand in 3 minutes. Longchamp. Longchamp overview. Longchamp is a French leather goods company founded in Paris in 1948. Initially known for luxury leather-covered pipes, the company expanded into small leather goods and women's handbags, becoming a prominent player in the leather industry. It specializes in leather and canvas handbags, luggage, shoes, accessories, and women's ready-to-wear. The company operates in 80 countries with around 1,500 retail outlets. History. The brand was established in 1948 when Jean Cassegrain took over his father's tobacco business and ventured into leather goods. It introduced the first luxury leather-covered pipes in the 1950s, becoming a favorite among celebrities. In 1971, the brand launched its first women's handbag, shifting its focus toward luggage and handbags. Collaborations. Longchamp has partnered with various designers and artists, including Tracey Emin and Jeremy Scott, to create unique editions of its products. Production. The company manufactures most of its products in France and has established multiple workshops. It continues to innovate and modernize its production processes. Boutiques. Longchamp has a significant presence in major markets, with flagship stores in cities like New York and Paris. The brand is expanding in regions such as the Middle East and Asia. Recent developments. In 2020, Longchamp launched its Green District line, featuring bags made from recycled materials while continuing to celebrate its heritage and embrace contemporary design and sustainability.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.